Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Volkswagen Atlas key fob. First, gather your materials: a new CR 2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Having these items ready makes the process smooth and quick. This simple task can be done at home in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Press the button on the side to release the physical key. With the key extended, you'll see a small slot where the key was housed. Insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist. The two halves of the key fob should separate with a soft click. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Use your screwdriver to carefully pry it out. Note its orientation before removal. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, facing upwards. Make sure it sits snugly in its compartment. This ensures proper contact and functionality for your key fob. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Reinsert the physical key. Now, head to your Volkswagen Atlas and test all the key fob functions, like locking and unlocking the doors. You've successfully changed your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.